everyone, I'm Heidi、皆さんこんばんは、ハイディです、今日はインターミディエットレベルのレッスンを行いたいと思います、For the intermediate level, I would like to involve words that don't really have an identical English translation, which are used in everyday life in Japan. So now, I'm sure everyone heard of いただきます and ごちそうさまでした。These phrases said before and after a meal. So let's start with the beginning of the meaning of いただきます。In its simplest form, いただきます is used before receiving something. For example, プレゼントをいただきます。I receive a present. プレゼントをいただきます。I receive a present. That's why the most common いただきます translation is to receive, to get, to accept, and to take. This explains why you say it before you eat. You're receiving a food after all. いただきます comes from Japan's roots in Buddhism, which teaches respect for all living things. This thinking extends to mealtime in the form of thanks to the plants, animals, farmers, hunters, chefs, and everything that went into the meal. You can use いただきます when you're offered an actual physical thing. It's like saying, I'll take it in a polite way. But be aware of your politeness level when using いただきます even though it's a more polite version of もらう. It's not much more polite if you don't change the plain form いただく into polite form いただきます。For example, politeness of the sentence is basically the same. いただく and もらう These are the same. But change them into the polite form and いただきます becomes much more polite than もらいます。For example, この本いりますか？ Do you want this book? あ、はい、いただきます。ありがとうございます。Yes, I'll take it. Thank you very much. この本いりますか？ Do you want this book? あ、はい、いただきます。ありがとうございます。Yes, I'll take it. Thank you very much. この本いりますか？ Do you want this book? いただきます。ありがとうございます。I'll take it. Thank you very much. この本いりますか？ Do you want this book? いただきます。ありがとうございます。I'll take it. Thank you very much. And next, so let's move on to ごちそうさま. When finished eating, people say ごちそうさま or to be more polite, ごちそうさまでした. The word ごちそう refers to a feast, like luxurious food or a good meal. it's another appreciation for the food and the people who involved into the meal. In other countries, it will be thank you for the meal, or simply that was delicious. But I would like to see the origin of this word. ごちそうさま can be written in kanji. And this ちそう means running around or make every effort. In olden times, people would ride on the horse and run around to collect the food. Even they're not on the horse, they would run over the town to prepare the meal for the guests. The word ちそう began to include the meaning of invite people to eat. For example, 今日はごちそうだよ. We're having a nice meal today. すっごいごちそうですね. Wow, it looks amazing. 今日はごちそうだよ. We're having a nice meal today. すっごいごちそうですね. Wow, it looks amazing. There are lots of work and effort of many people behind each meal we eat. Perhaps we don't get such a feast every day, but every plate and any plate are ごちそう in a sense that someone made an effort and add love to it. So if you have a feeling of gratitude, you wouldn't be able to throw the food so easily, and could say ごちそうさま to all the lives and effort you received. And also, if someone treats you or invites you for a meal at their house, you should say ごちそうさまでした. ごちそうさまでした. For example, 昨日はごちそうさまでした. Thank you for the meal yesterday. 昨日はごちそうさまでした. Thank you for the meal yesterday. And also, when you treat someone, you can also use this word. The verb is ごちそうする. To be polite, ごちそうします. ごちそうする. ごちそうします. For example, 今夜は私がごちそうします. It's my treat tonight. 今夜は私がごちそうします. It's my treat tonight. And when someone treats you, the action will be passive. ごちそうになる. ごちそうになる. For example, この間佐藤さんにごちそうになりました. 佐藤さん treated me the other day. この間佐藤さんにごちそうになりました. 佐藤さん treated me the other day. And for the last phrase is my favorite phrase that you can start using today. 誰かごちそうしてください。Someone treat me please. 誰かごちそうしてください。Someone treat me please. Right, so that's all for today. Hope you all like my lesson. And if you have any question, please leave comments. And thanks for watching and see you all next time. Bye!